is Momita. I'm 2 times net qualified. So today we are going to do the Payment of Bonus Act 1965. So with this, I will also cover one important question from Labour Code Bill 2020. So let's start with the MCQs. So the first question is Payment of Bonus Act 1965 is applicable to every factory and to every other establishment where dash workmen are employed on any date during any accounting year. So answer will be is 20 or more. So if any establishment, if there is a 20 or more worker working in any accounting year, payment of bonus act will be applied in that particular establishment. Okay. So 20 will be correct answer. Let's move to the next. So question is which of the following stands for bonus in the context of Indian situation? So remember, bonus can be calculated in two ways. One is profit sharing, another one is productivity. So in profit sharing, what happens? In profit sharing, if organization is or organization having more profit, then they will provide more bonus to their employees, and if the organization is incurred less profit, then they will provide less profit to their employees, right? While as in productivity, if the organization's employees have more productivity, then they will get more bonus. While if the organization's employees are having less productivity, they will get less bonus, right? But particularly in India, while calculating bonus, we generally like consider profit sharing. Okay. इंडिया में जब भी मतलब बोनस कैलकुलेट होता है तो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग कंसिडर किया जाता है, प्रोडक्टिविटी कंसिडर नहीं किया जाता है, राइट? और प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग में क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग में अगर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का प्रॉफिट ज्यादा हुआ है किसी साल में तो एम्प्लॉयज को ज्यादा उससे बोनस मिलता है. अगर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को किसी भी पर्टिकुलर ईयर में कम बोनस कम प्रॉफिट हुआ है तो उसे कम बोनस मिलता है. एंड इन प्रोडक्टिविटी में क्या होता है? अगर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के जो भी एम्प्लॉयज जो भी बंदे काम करते हैं उसकी प्रोडक्टिविटी ज्यादा है, उसका एफिशिएंसी ज्यादा है तो उसे ज्यादा बोनस मिलता है. और जबकि अगर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में उसके एम्प्लॉयज जो काम करते हैं उससे उसके प्रोडक्टिविटी कम है तो उसे कम बोनस मिलता है, राइट? सो इन केस ऑफ इंडिया में प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग मतलब यूज किया जाता है कैलकुलेशन, बोनस कैलकुलेशन के लिए. सो रिमेंबर दिस वन. To the next question. Which date was the Bonus Act implemented by the government? So it is B, that is 2nd September 1965. So remember the year 1965. This is important. So Bonus Act particularly come to implement actually in 1965 and its date is 2nd September. Okay. Move to the next question. When was the last amendment made in the Payment of Bonus Act 1965? It is 2015. So the last amendment of a Bonus Act is done on 2015. Okay. Move to the next question. As per the Act, what is the minimum number of days an employee must have worked in an establishment to be eligible for bonus? So this is very important question. Remember this one, that it will be 30 working days. If any employee work in any establishment for 30 days, then they will be eligible for getting bonus. Okay. Move to the next question. So the question is the Payment of Bonus Act 1965 Amendment Act has now widened the scope of employees eligible for payment of bonus from those drawing salary of rupees 10,000 per month to rupees dash per month. So now it's become 21,000. So A will be correct. Before 2015, as I already told you, in 2015 last amendment of this act has been done, right? So in this before 2015, it has been considered for eligible for getting bonus is 10,000. So those person who are getting 10,000 or below 10,000, they are eligible for getting bonus, right? But after 2015, the slab has been increased to 21,000. So those person who are even getting 21,000 or below 21,000 are also eligible for getting bonus. So remember this one. So move to the next question. The ceiling on wage or salary for calculation of bonus under the Payment of Bonus Act 1965 is, it will be rupees 7,000. This is again very important. Remember this one. See, for calculation in Payment of Bonus Act, we need to take always 7,000. If any person is getting, say he or she is getting 20,000 per month, but when we are going to calculate, we are going to take, in that case, we have to take 7,000 only. Even if they are getting 20,000 they are getting, we need to take 7,000 for calculation. If any person getting say like 6,000, that is below 7,000, then while we are calculating bonus like payment of bonus for that particular person, then we need to take 6,000 only. But if any value or any wage, like if any person is getting more than 7,000, then their bonus will be calculated on 7,000 itself, right? So move to the next question, and let me tell you how to calculate bonus. Say in any question, if there is telling that bonus need to be given like 5% or you can say 9%, then you have to calculate. If a person is getting say 20,000, we need to take 7,000, because you can take maximum of 7,000. Okay, so you need to take 7,000, and if it is saying, if they're saying that bonus will be calculated 9%, then you need to take 9% of it. And remember that bonus are calculated for year, that is for 12 months. So into 12, that is 12 months, then you will get the answer. Okay, but if any person getting wage say 6,000, in that case 6,000, or you can say 5,000, you have to take, like once again, you need to for calculation you need to take the same amount, because this is below 7,000, right? So you have to take the exact amount that they are getting, that is 6,000 into, see here also bonus percent is given 9%. They are giving, say the company is giving 9% bonus to the worker, right? So it will be 9,000, sorry, 9% into, say the for 12 months, it will be always 12. Remember, it is calculated annually, so it will be always 12. So you will get the answer like this. So move to the next question. On what ground an employee will be disqualified for getting bonus? Fraud, yes. If any person has done any wrongdoings or have done any fraud, then he or she will be not be eligible for getting bonus. Okay. Righteous or violent behavior, yes, if any person is doing any violent behavior within the premises of the establishment, whether organized or within the organization, then he will not be eligible for getting bonus. Or theft, misappropriation or sabotage of any property, okay, then the person will not be eligible for getting bonus. So answer D will be correct, all of the above. Okay, so move to the question. The payment of bonus should be made within a period of dash month for the close of the accounting year. So it will be 8 months. Within 8 months, that the employer or the organization need to give the bonus to the worker, right? So answer C will be correct. Remember, within 8 months, any organization or employer need to give their employees or worker bonus. But remember, if the organization is going on loss, then the government can give the permission to the organization or the employer to give the bonus like within 2 years. So 2 years कब होगा? जब किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अगर कुछ लॉस में चल रहा है कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो गवर्नमेंट क्या कर सकता है? रिलैक्सेशन दे सकता है उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कि वो विथिन 2 years में उस पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो लॉस पे चल रहा है वो विथिन 2 years में बोनस दे सकते हैं. ओके, अदरवाइज it is 8 months. Within 8 months, organization should give the like bonus to their employees. Okay, move to the next question. What is the minimum amount of a bonus paid to an employee? It is 8.33%. So, if any organization is giving their employees bonus, they should give minimum of 8.33%, and they can they can give more than this also, but they can't go for less than this. They can they can't go for 8%. Okay, so like minimum they have to give at least 8.33% of a bonus to their employees, and maximum, remember, maximum will be 20%. Maximum will be 20%. So this is important again. Remember this too, that minimum bonus any organization need to give minimum bonus of 8.33% and maximum it should be 20%. Okay, किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अपने एम्प्लॉयज को जो भी बंदे को जो भी बोनस देना होता है वो 8.33 के नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए एंड 20% से अबव नहीं होना चाहिए. रिमेंबर, 20% से अबव नहीं होना चाहिए. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The maximum amount of a bonus to be paid in an accounting year as per section 10 of this act is, as I already told you, this will be 20%. So maximum 20% bonus दे सकता है कोई भी employer या organization अपने employees को. Okay, move to the next. Which of the following statement is not correct as per the Payment of a Bonus Act 1965? It does not apply to employees in Life Insurance Corporation of India. So this is correct because this act, the Payment of Bonus Act, is not applicable to the Life Insurance Corporation of India, because in this like those people who are working in life insurance company, they are not going to get bonus. जो भी बंदे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन में काम करते हैं वो बोनस के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं होते हैं. ओके, allocable surplus. Yes, allocable surplus, remember this is again very important. It is 67%. This is again correct. According to the Bonus Act 1965, allocable surplus is always 67%. Okay. So you can ask me what is available surplus. Okay, so available surplus is gross profit minus depreciation minus say development reserve, tax provision, schedule expenses will be available surplus, right? ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट से अगर डिप्रिशिएशन माइनस किया जाए, फिर टैक्स प्रोविजन माइनस किया जाए, शेड्यूल एक्सपेंसेस और उसके साथ डेवलपमेंट रिबेट रिजर्व अगर माइनस किया जाए तब अवेलेबल सरप्लस मिल जाएगा हमें. ओके, अवेलेबल सरप्लस मींस ये जो सरप्लस है जो कि अवेलेबल है, ओके, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या एम्प्लॉयर के पास अवेलेबल है, और इससे क्या करते हैं, जो भी एम्प्लॉयर होते हैं, जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होते हैं, उससे क्या करते हैं, एलोकेट करते हैं, मतलब जो भी मतलब एम्प्लॉय है उन्हें बोनस देते हैं, उसे क्या कहा जाएगा, एलोकेबल सरप्लस कहा जाएगा, राइट। और ये कितना देना होता है, लाइक 67%, okay. So allocable surplus is basically the amount that employer need to allocate or distribute among employees as a bonus, okay. And rest amount, apart from this 67% that are given for allocable surplus by the employer, rest amount will be kept by the organization for other, like for other parties, okay, because there are other parties apart from the workers, and there could be some other parties also, right. For them the rest amount will be kept by the organization. Let's see the next option. Employees mean any person including apprentice. So answer C will be correct. Let's see the next option. It is applicable to construction industry. Yes, bonus act is applicable to any construction industry. But this option C is wrong. Okay. But in this question they are asking which is not correct. So answer C will be the answer. Okay. So question is, under the Payment of Bonus Act 1965, the gross profit derived by an employer for an establishment in respect of any accounting year shall be computed. It shall be computed, like in case of like banking company, it should be or schedule 1, and any other case it will be schedule 2. So remember this one, this is again very important. Like the gross profit, as I told you, gross profit need to be calculated for allocable surplus, right? Or sorry, for available surplus, right? And for this, like for banking company, how banking company will be calculated, it will be calculated according to the schedule 1. According to the schedule 1 it is given, banking company will be calculated, and for all others company it will be schedule 2 will be followed. So remember this two schedule, this is important. For banking company it will be always schedule 1, and schedule 2 will be for other companies, okay. So move to the next question. So the question is, what is the minimum percentage of allocable surplus in the available surplus? Okay, so as I already told you, available surplus means from gross profit if depreciation is deducted and development rebate reserve is deducted, if tax is deducted, okay, and schedule expenses is deducted from this gross profit, then we are going to get available surplus, right? And allocable surplus is the from the available surplus, the amount that is distributed among to the employees and to the workers as a bonus. So it will be 67%. Answer A will be correct. Okay, so allocable surplus is always 67%. So move to the next question. Who are exempted under the Payment of a Bonus Act 1965? Employees employed by Life Insurance Corporation of India. As I already told you, those persons who are working in Life Insurance Corporation, they are not eligible to get bonus, right? Let's see the next option. Employees employed by the Indian Red Cross Society. So remember, those employees who are working in Indian Red Cross Society, they are also not eligible to get bonus. Okay. Let's go to the next option. Employees employed by any insurance carrying on general insurance business. Yes, if any person working in insurance company, then they are also not eligible for getting payment of bonus act. Like if any person working in life insurance company, they are also not like allowed to get payment like bonus in any year. And the person who are working, any person who are working in Indian Red Cross Society, they are also not eligible for getting bonus. Right, so answer D will be correct. Let's move to the next. Which section states about the classes of employees where payment of bonuses act is not applicable? As I told you, if any employees working in any Red Cross Society or any life insurance corporation of India or any other insurance company, then they are not eligible to get bonus act. And this is like given in section 32 of the Payment of Bonus Act 1965. Okay, so answer B will be correct. Move to the next. On which salary components bonus is calculated? So remember, bonus is always calculated on basic and DA. Okay, so answer A will be correct. Bonus is calculated only on basic and DA and excluding allowances. Means while calculating bonus, employer do not need to consider like HRA or like house rental allowances, traveling allowances. These are these are not going to include in while calculating bonus. Only basic and DA will be like considered for calculating bonus. So remember this one. Move to the next. So the question is, the Code on Wages 2019 replace which of the following laws? As I told you already that I am going to cover in this class one question from the Code on Wages Act. So this question is very important because now this Code of wages has been implemented, right? So in this Code on Wages, basically 4 laws has been compiled. So these 4 laws are like the Payment on Wages Act 1936, Minimum Wages Act 1948, the Equal Remuneration Act 1976, and apart from this, Bonus Act has also been included in this Code on Wages Act 2019. Okay, Bonus Act. So remember, like it answer will be all of the above. Okay. So remember, this 4 act come under this Code on Wages 2019, and this is very important. So move to the next slide. An employee engaged in an industrial establishment draws wages of rupees 20,000 per month. What is the amount of bonus he shall be entitled to if it to be paid at the rate of a 9% by the employer on an accounting year under the provision of the Payment of a Bonus Act 1965? Okay, as I told you, the slab of like the bonus for calculation of a bonus is always 7,000. If any person are getting more than 7,000, then the amount will be considered 7,000 only, right? And if any person are getting less than 7,000, then the actual amount will be considered for calculating bonus. But in this case, it is 20,000 per month, right? So we have to take 7,000, right? And apart from this, 9% is given, right? Like bonus will be given 9% at the rate of 9%. So it will be 9 by 100, and bonus is like calculated for 12 months. So into 12. So if we calculate, we will get 7,000 1560. So answer A will be correct. So move to the next question. So the question is, excess allocable surplus remains after paying the maximum bonus of 20% on the wage or salary of the employee should be carried forward to the next following year for utilizing the payment of bonus in case of the shortage of an allocable surplus or losses occurred. This is called as set on. So remember, set on basically it is a profit incurred by the organization. If an organization has incurred profit even after paying, in that case, even after paying maximum bonus of say 20%, the organization should remain excess allocable surplus, right? अगर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का प्रॉफिट हुआ हो ओके उस तब वो आफ्टर मैक्सिमम बोनस ऑफ 20% देने के बाद भी उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पास कुछ अमाउंट बचा रहेगा, राइट? उसे क्या कहा जाएगा? एक्सेस एलोकेबल सरप्लस, राइट? और ये एक्सेस एलोकेबल सरप्लस क्या करते हैं कंपनी? नेक्स्ट ईयर को कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं in the next following year. Okay, so this is called basically set on. So set on is basically the amount that is carried forward, the excess amount while the company incurred any profit, then they have excess amount after paying even the bonus, and this excess amount is carried forward to the next year. Okay, so this is called set on. So move to the next question. So the question is, when there are no profit or amount fall short or deficiency for the payment of a minimum bonus to employees, such deficiency amount should be adjusted to the current accounting year for the set on amount, which are carried forward in case of an excess allocable surplus in previous year. This is called as set off. So answer B is correct. So if there is any short or deficiency or loss of the organization, okay, say no profit in the organization, then the amount will be short, right? So there should be short in paying minimum bonus, and this short can be managed by amount. If there is any set on amount that has been incurred in the previous year, that will be used in this set off. Okay, so set off is basically a loss incurred by the organization. Okay, so answer B will be correct. तो सेट ऑफ में क्या होता है? बेसिकली सेट ऑफ में होता है कभी भी किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का अगर लॉस हो, उसे कुछ डेफिशिएंसी, तब उसे क्या होता है? डेफिशिएंसी हो जाता है, मिनिमम बोनस पेमेंट नहीं दे सकता है वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, सो इन दैट केस क्या होता है? अगर उसके पहले ईयर में, प्रीवियस ईयर में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर प्रॉफिट किया हो, उसे सेट ऑन का अमाउंट मिला हो, वो अमाउंट यूज करते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, so answer B will be correct. So move to the next question. The contravention of the provisions of the act or rules may attract the punishment of, if any contravention has been done on this, like the Bonus Act 1965, if the provision is not followed by the organization, then they are eligible for getting punishment, right? So the punishment will be imprisonment of 6 months and fine up to 1000 or both. So answer D will be right. अगर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अगर जो भी एम्प्लॉयर है वो अगर कुछ भी कॉन्ट्रवेंस करे या फॉलो नहीं करे एक्ट का जो भी प्रोविजन है, देन उसे पनिशमेंट मिलता है उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पर्टिकुलरली या एम्प्लॉयर को पर्टिकुलरली. और वो क्या होता है? 6 मंथ का इम्प्रिजनमेंट होता है या 6 मंथ का जेल होता है, और उसके साथ फाइन या फिर उसे फाइन देना होता है 1000 का, या बोथ हो सकता है, दोनों ही हो सकता है एक साथ में. उसे फाइन भी देना हो सकता है एंड इम्प्रिजनमेंट भी हो सकता है, राइट? सो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So see here I have given the checklist of the entire the payment of a bonus act 1965, so you can go through it. Okay, see this, like for application of this act, if in any factory if 10 or more person are employed, then this act will be applied there. Okay, and in, as I already told you, if any establishment where 20 or more person are working in any accounting year, then this like this act will be applied over there. Okay, it is for establishment. Remember, 20% for establishment and 10% for factory. So remember this one. And see how to compute available surplus. I already told you it will be like from gross profit if income, it will be gross profit if like income tax if deducted, or you can say it will be G, right? It is G. And if depreciation is deducted, income tax is deducted, and then development rebate and development allowances is deducted, then available surplus we will get. Okay, so remember this one. And how to compute bonus? Bonus will be computed on salary or wages plus dearness allowances. Okay, and no other allowances. So remember this one. And disqualification or deduction of a bonus will be if there is any fraud or violent behavior within establishment, theft, misconduct. Okay, I already told you this one. And eligibility for getting bonus, it is for 30 days, right? And minimum bonus should be 8.33%. It can't be below 8.33%, right? And above will be, as I already told you, it will be 20%. So nobody should get more than 20% of bonus. Okay. And here is given that set on and set off. I already told you set on is something like in case of a huge profit, set on is something during huge profit the amount will be carried forward to the next year. Okay, and set off is if there is any loss in the organization, the amount will be or the loss will be carried forward to the next year in that particular establishment. Okay, and like bonus should be given within 8 months. Okay, and here it is. Okay, remember this one should be like 7,000. So calculation, as I already told you, calculation of a bonus will be on 7,000. Okay, so if any person getting more than 7,000, so there will be while calculation we have to take 7,000 itself, but the earlier it was 3,500. But remember now it becomes 7,000, and if any person getting less than 7,000, so that then while calculation of a bonus actual amount will be taken. Okay, say if they are getting 5,000, then while calculation we are going to take 5,000 itself. Okay, and apart from this, once again, apart from this, what is given? Okay, as I already told you, banking company comes under first schedule and all other comes under second schedule. So remember, banking company come under first schedule. This is again important. And apart from this, like here it's given. Okay, yeah, like for penalty it should be like 6 months, and fine they should be given of 10 like 1,000 if they have contravened the provision of this act. And where this act will be not applicable, it will be not applicable to LIC, general insurance, dockyard, Red Cross, university, education, building construction, social welfare instruction, chamber of commerce, institution. So here in this particularly in this places like LIC, general insurance, in these places like bonus will be not provided to the employees. Okay, so that's it for today's class. So if you like the class, press the like button, and thank you and have a good day. And if you want the entire checklist of this payment of bonus act 1965, then comment on the comment box and I will provide you to this to the Telegram channel. Okay, bye.